Hello for Uber. Hello.
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Good for Uber?
Yeah.
Hi, how's it going?
Good.
Good, welcome on in. How's your day going?
Good. Yeah.
Yeah, what are you, where are you off to today?
Sorry, I'm a little disoriented.
Are you okay back there? What's going on?
Yeah, no,
You've been drinking?
No, I'm so sober. My glasses are really high prescription, and so it gives me a headache and I just can't see anything.
Oh, so why are you wearing glasses?
They're my friends. She let me have them because they're her old pair, but I just think women look so much better in glasses.
That's what I always say, and I have glasses too.
See?
We're like,
exactly.
We're both four eyes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I just think I look so much better.
You know what? It's like that sexy teacher vibe.
Exactly.
Yeah,
I think like I just do better. Jobs hire me when I have glasses.
Yeah.
I always get fired when I'm not wearing them.
Exactly, because you look smarter, you look more professional. Glasses are a whole vibe,
Yeah.
I don't know if you'd be down, but I'm in school right now. We could do like a little library, like study date if you want.
That could be fun.
Like I can bring pasta.
See, this is what I'm talking about. When I'm in glasses, I get asked out on dates. When I'm not wearing glasses, I get dumped.
Exactly. See? It's all coming together.
Points.
Yeah. So
Some people think I'm crazy, but
you're not crazy.
What is that? Is that a chicken running across the road?
No, that's a squirrel.
Oh.
Yeah. But I mean, hey, I guess it could be a chicken, right? I mean,
it just looked like
who's to say that it's not
bounding.
a chicken? Yeah. So like I can cook up some chicken Alfredo pasta.
Okay.
Do you like chicken Alfredo?
Chicken Alfredo sounds great.
Okay, cool. Are you okay back there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just making sure.
Great.
Just making sure. You know what? Can you see me?
Kind of.
Okay. Cool. All right. Well, at least I know that you looks don't matter.
Yeah, I see that you're wearing glasses, and really, that's all that's important.
Yeah. Okay. So you're just going right up here. You just a really short Uber ride.
Yeah. I can't walk there because it's a little difficult. So I just needed to pick up some packages.
Yeah, I mean, we didn't even leave your community. Like, you literally just needed a ride to the post center office.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'll text you in the Uber app.
Awesome.
Yeah. All right. I'll see you later.
Looking forward to our study date. Bring
All right.
your glasses.
I will. See ya.